when I came into this business in Jamaica, there was no music called reggae music. As a matter of fact, the only music that was around was calypso or American music, jazz, rhythm and blues, whatever, you know. So we formed this music out of the need for recognition, identity, respect, love, justice. All of these elements existed. So we formed this music, and it first took the form of what was labeled as ska, which was a very up-tempo beat, because that was the spirit of the people at the time. Then it came down to what was called rocksteady. After the storm, the people came to a calm, so the music came down to a more steadier rocking beat. Then another wave of consciousness came, which is the upsurgent of the African heritage, true Rastafari. And then the music was then known as reggae. And today it has remained as that.